Hello.
Hello,
Hi, everyone. Hi, Wayne. Good to see you again.
Nikki.
Hey, so we're going to get started today. I'm so excited for today's webinar. Let's do a quick introduction. You can start
Mhm.
first.
Yeah, hi everyone. Nice meeting you, everyone here. I think we have lots of new audience today. I'm Wayne. I'm the co-founder and chief product officer at Heijin. Happy to talk to you today about our latest edition.
Yes, and I'm excited. I know everyone in the chat is excited. I love to see where everyone is from, so please comment and let us know. I am tuning in from Miami, but we are live on YouTube, we're live on TikTok, and we are live on LinkedIn. So feel free to, comment some feedback, comment your anything that you see that you're interested in, and we're going to try to do a live Q&A at the end. Maybe we should do a little recap of what we did and talked about last webinar.
Yep, right. So, do you want to go?
Yeah, well, I mean, I was moderating, but it was a really exciting webinar because we talked and introduced, I think we're the first company to ever introduce that's working on AI, real-time avatars. So we're basically able to create an avatar of yourself, and it works kind of like a chat bot where we basically talk, and in 5 minutes quickly, you're able to get chat with an avatar that looks and sounds just like you. We talked about some crazy use cases, everything from virtual assistants to learning, virtual tutors, virtual events, customer support, live shopping, and so much more. It was very exciting. If you haven't watched it, definitely go back and watch it. But anything else you want to add? I know you're right there in the forefront of building and seeing all of the advancements with that tool.
Right. So real-time avatar is one of the very exciting release we have, and since last week, actually there have been many customers who's already start deploying this to their own system or for their customers. There is also like a open demo on Heijin inside Heijin apps for you to just try it for free. So feel free to try it if your business would need it, just click the button to reach out to us. It'll be very exciting. Also, internally, we are building a real-time avatar for Nikki, so you wouldn't know which one it's gonna be next time.
I know, I can't wait. But we have some really exciting news actually about today. We had some new feature launch on Product Hunt. Do you want to talk a little bit more about that?
Yes, so a new exciting topic today is about personalized video creation with AI. We have been receiving this feedback and requests from our community actually for quite a while, for months. And we've been studying and learning about what does it mean, who needs it for what use case, and what is the best experience and the process to do this. And very happy to share that it's now almost ready for everyone to try. We're opening up this early access for a larger group today and launching on Product Hunt. Please go to Product Hunt to support us there, leave your feedback, learn more about how it works. And I'm gonna do a live demo with you guys later in this webinar and send you the link. Everyone who signs up to the Product Hunt link will receive some credits and will also join the list of early access where which you will have like access to the module to use very soon, right after the webinar today, right?
Yeah, that is super exciting. So you heard it here first. We launched the newest feature that we're going to be demoing today on Product Hunt. We have pinned up the actual link so you can go and thumbs up it, comment, see more information, detailed information. But we're going to go through all of that today. We're going to go through what is personalized video, how can you use it, and how do we do it? Show us a demo, and then we'll end with some Q&A, which is pretty much our normal format for a webinar, but we have some real special things. We have another treat at the very end, so if you stay till the end, you can get some more credits as well to test out all of the newest features on Hayden's platform.
Yep.
Perfect. Let's get into it. So tell
Mhm.
us, what is HeyGen? What is HeyGen's personalized video?
Right. So for people who's first time here, let me give you a quick background of HeyGen first. So HeyGen is like the industry leading AI avatar and video platform. We specialized in helping people make their own digital twin, aka AI avatar, and make all kinds of business videos with your avatars. So for learning videos, training, promotional ads, all kinds of stuff. And as our technology and product further developed, there's more and more specific use cases that our technology can be really helpful at. Personalized videos, one of the typical cases, like we've been hearing from our customers who are in the field of, say, sales or marketing, they've been trying to, every sales team, every business owner is trying to reach out to more customers, more prospects, right? And the people have been trying to be more and more personalized when they reach out to them. Like the more personal you are, the more engaging you are, the higher of a response rate and conversion you get. Therefore, the bigger, the faster your business grows. But it's been really not easy before AI or HeyGen for people to create a very engaging, personalized video message for your audience. You either have to really just record like 400, 500 names and stitch up your video, or you can only do some kind of text level personalization. But now with HeyGen, you can easily create like a whole full personalized video campaign plus customized email and a landing page for like a huge list of your audiences for different topics, only with like clicks and drags with the interface we built for you. Yeah, so that's kind of a background of HeyGen and HeyGen personalized video. Really happy to share more with you guys very soon.
Awesome. Yes. So that is just so exciting. I think everyone knows how important it is to personalize your messages to brand. Everyone knows that consumers are more likely to purchase from brands and people that personalize. It's the key to the entire customer life cycle. So making it more likely for people to buy, more likely for you to recommend, whatever it is that you're selling or talking about. Maybe it's yourself, but it is such a cool feature, and I wish I had access to that when I was in sales. But let's see how it works. Maybe we should talk about some use cases first. I
Yes.
think my mind goes to sales, but is
Yeah.
there
So
anything
there,
specific?
there will be many useful kind of specific use cases when you can easily create such personalized video message for a large audience. The typical ones are, for example, cold outreach, right? Like we've been all receiving such emails out of nowhere, someone trying to sell you some stuff or trying to have you subscribe to stuff without even seeming to know who you are or what your background is. But now, like cold outreach can be much more personalized to as much as you can find and deliver in a very personal video message. Also to re-engage churn customers. For different industries, I've heard people want to say reach out to Tom, who checked out say a Honda last month, and now this Honda is on sale, but there's like 1,000 pairs of a customer who look at their car and that car has some promotion going on, right? Or like you just launched a new kind of signature course in your restaurant, and then there's a group of customers who really like that. You want to bring them back to your restaurant. There could also be internal use cases. For example, CEO welcoming each new employee every day, right on the day they join your company. It's not possible for CEO to always record such a personalized video message to welcome, but it's definitely the thing the CEO is willing to do, right? And when maybe more interactive ones, like when someone um, have their, say, online course. They have their own kind of questions or their own progress. You want to kind of send him some kind of instructions or feedback based on his specific situation. Yeah, so for different kinds of industries, there could be all kinds of use cases that can be specifically, leveled up by being more personalized with a real person, especially someone they know, talking to them with their specific information. So yeah, so and I don't think it's all of the use cases. I think the audience here knows much better than we do, because like I didn't come from like a sales or marketing background. We've been just learning from you guys, and we built such a beginning of this module, hoping to share with you and also continue to receive your feedback to make it even better for everyone. Right.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I'm sure that there's going to be so many more use cases of what a personalized video in bulk, in mass can do. I know that I see here in the comments, someone is saying they use it right now for onboarding before a sales call to inform the leads what the call will be about. And this just makes me think about any onboarding new employees. There's so many different possibilities, onboarding brand ambassadors, staff, whatever it is. And if you think of any more use cases, definitely share below. Let us know and comment so that we're aware and so that we can keep doing our research and keep building products that will be best tailored to everyone.
Yep.
Amazing. Well, let's get into it. I want to see how we can put this to use.
Yes, so now let me share my screen and show our audience here how it looks like. And I'll also just create a new personalized video campaign right here with you guys for you to try it out.
Wow. So everyone, we're going to do a campaign right now. Let's see how to do it.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes. Walk
Okay,
us through
so currently personalized video is under labs. Once you go to Product Hunt and sign up with our links later, you'll be included in the early access. So basically, personalized video module is to help you record one video message and personalize it for thousands of your audiences. So there's two modes of personalized video project. The first one is to create like an automatic online workflow. It can be connected to your online data source. So whenever someone triggers an action, say signs up on your platform or submit a survey, you will receive the response, and your HeyGen campaign project will be generating a video based on his information and send out an email to him directly to engage. You can also set up like a one-time campaigns. For example, there are business owners or people who already have a huge list of like a customer, like from their CRM or like saved in a spreadsheet, right? You can just upload your list and send out like a batch campaign, like an email blast, video message blast. Right. So for today, let's try this online workflow, because I can connect this to our Typeform, and I can send out a Typeform for you guys in the chat directly. So you can fill in a Typeform. You'll receive this result from me directly. And also that's how we can collect, the users from our early access group. So currently we support Typeform connection, but more connection will come soon. When you come here, you can click on this tutorial to learn how to connect your HeyGen personalized video workflow with Typeform. It's actually quite easy. So I have my Typeform here open. Let me just duplicate a new one, let's say, and do it from scratch, right?
Awesome. Yes. So if we fill out this Typeform, you're going to create a whole campaign to personalize
Webinar.
a message with HeyGen. Okay.
I'll just select this one. Okay, so let me try follow the instructions here with you. First of all, you need to go to a Typeform, and then you need to prepare whatever question you have, and publish this one. So let's publish, and you will go to connect webhook add a webhook. So you can come here. Typeform supports such a webhook function. So it'll be very easy to connect to your agent campaign. So see, they need endpoint here. And that is where your campaign, each campaign will have a unique endpoint. Just copy it here. Save with a webhook. Okay, so we have saved the webhook, copied our webhook endpoint. And we will need to copy the secret as well. So go back to Typeform, go to Edit, save your secret. And now we've saved the secret. Let's try if it's connecting. So we turn this on. We go to View Deliverables, send.
Yeah. So wait, we have a question in the chat that's actually asking,
Mhm.
what can we personalize? So what type of variables are we setting up here?
So it's actually very versatile. You can set up as many variables as you want, so that it kind of depends on what questions you have in your own survey, right? Let me show you right away. So once you send the test request, you see like a 200 response, which means it's connected. After a few seconds, HeyGen will detect, okay, it's connected. Now let me close this, and we can select the values from your own survey to let you decide what kind of variables or personalized value you want to. For example, we by default, HeyGen ask for the first name. So all of those columns are from my Typeform. Like see all of these kind of questions. I designed them like ahead of time in Typeform. You can also have your own Typeform questions for sure, right? Asking about your customers in the context of your business. And the email will be business email. And you can add more variables based on what kind of questions you have. For example, I want to use company as well. And let's see what else we can do. Region. Let's do region. Okay, so you can use as many variables as you want in your Typeform, but usually it's better to be shorter answers, so you can easily customize this for them. So now we've set up our Typeform connection with the desired variables we want for this video personalization. So if I go to the next step, this is a step where you prepare like a video template to be personalized to like the list of your audience. You can either record here right away, or if you already have recorded some kind of videos before, you can just upload that directly. This is essentially a very similar part of how you create instant avatar or how you upload a video for video translate. Just remember to look at the camera, try to talk to the camera as if you're talking to any of your customer or your prospects, and try to be casual, be personal, and yeah, like you don't have to record too long. Let me record one right here for you, so you'll see how I record this. Okay, so I'll just like agree to say maybe Ryan from our current webinar audience. Hi Ryan, thanks for coming to our webinar today. Show you this demo of HeyGen real-time person. Sorry, let me do this again. I think I misspoke. Can you guys still see my screen, by the way?
Yes, we're watching.
Yeah, cool. Hi, Ryan. Nice to meet you. This is Wayne from HeyGen. Thank you so much for joining our webinar today about personalized video. I'm very happy to show you this demo and have you using it very soon. Yeah, it's like a really bad message, but just to show the gist of it. So you can select your language. If you're recording other language, they can understand and help you do that. So once your video template is prepared, we will kind of process your video a little bit to understand what you're trying to say, and come up with a transcript for you to insert the variables you pick from.
Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah, so you can pick forms. And someone asked in the chat, so we don't need to have already an instant avatar created since we can do it here?
Yes, totally. So with this module, it's similar to video translate. You can conceptually, you can skip the step of creating an avatar. This will be just like be used on any of your kind of a personalized video reach directly. The principle still follows. You need to be in front of the camera, right? You need to have no background noise. You need to talk into the camera. In the later versions, we'll also be able to allow you to use your instant avatars here or other avatars directly. So the videos you can create here will be more diverse, but you don't have to go through creating an avatar. This is more direct and more easier to use, right? So see, these are the kind of the variables we imported from our Typeform, right? I say, nice to meet you. This is Wen from HeyGen. Let me actually refine my scripts a little bit. Hope is going great in, I guess, in your region, maybe like some country, right? And this is Wen from HeyGen. Thank you for joining our webinar. Where should I insert company? I'm very sure that should have you and company using it. It might not be the best message. Just again, just to show the example of it.
Awesome. Yes. And we do have a few people just asking again about if they need to have the avatar created. So this is separate. And someone did mention that they already use this workflow with their instant avatar, which is amazing. Right. We love to
this
hear
is going to be even simpler for you, right?
Yes.
So, and these modules will be definitely more and more integrated in the future. So once you have a better instant avatar, it can also be used here, right? So yeah, so here's how you can decide to use your variables to personalize your video message for each one. So once you arrange this, you'll come to the next page, which is to customize your delivery for users. You'll see two options. You can customize your email. You can also customize a landing page. All of this comes for free with HeyGen. So when you go to customize email, you will see an email preview, and you can customize everything in the email. You'll see that your email will come with like a GIF preview. So let's say Wen from HeyGen. And if they reply, they will reply to me, and I'll say, "Hi, how's it going? I think that looks good. Maybe how's it going in region, right?" So just to show you how you can use your variables anywhere. Hope that's awesome. That company. And I have the message for you, check my video for you. Right. I think that's that would be how I can personalize the even not before the video message, but the email for your audience. And you can come here to turn on auto send. So whenever someone triggers your workflow, the video will be made, the email will be sent automatically. So that's to customize the email. And we also provide like a landing page directly that's associated with your email. So you'll have like a desktop and a mobile view preview of how your video look like. You can turn off the HeyGen button. You can be further customizing that in the future. You can change different color theme. You can upload your logo to replace this one, and that's just a default placeholder. You can change your video thumbnail to some other company branded image, and you can insert like a different background of this whole page to further brand it. You can also customize your message. Let me just use the same one. Greetings, hi from company. Maybe not that many people say that, but let me just try to use the variables for you. Hope things are going great in region, right? And then you can customize the call to action to take your audience to the next step you want them to. Let's say, join us here. And let me just use our product hunt launch link. So because you'll be able to click this button to go to our product hunt to see more comments and reviews and also more information about this module. Another thing which is very cool is that you can insert your Calendly integration here directly. So your
Wow,
audience,
I love that. That's so helpful.
your page, they will just be able to see like your calendar right here. They can schedule a meeting with you directly. That's not my purpose for this campaign, but let me just pretend to incorporate like a calendar and to show
Yeah, we want to see it. Show us.
what it looks like, right? So let me bring my calendar here first. Okay, so if you want to include your Calendly, turn this on, and it'll give you like a place to paste the embedded code. We also have a tutorial of how to do this. This is very simple. So you go to your Calendly, and you find the meeting you want to use. Let's say this one. And you will be able to follow add to website, inline embed, and go here, copy the code, right? And that's it. Paste it here, confirm. And you'll see your Calendly right here. And this will be what your audience see as well. You can preview it on mobile. You can also preview it on the desktop view mode. So once you set this up, and your audience, your image is automated sending, your audience can view your video message, come to the landing page, and do the scheduling with you right here. So we believe with such a personalized end-to-end experience, this will obviously increase your conversion rate from whatever audience you're trying to look into, right? You can just book a meeting here directly. Yep.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's definitely game changing for all salespeople. We have a lot of questions that are asking if they need to have a type form. Is that the only way to set up the campaign?
If you want to set up like online workflow, let me submit this first. So you'll see you have a preview, and you'll be kind of setting this up and submit. Yeah. So your campaign is launched. It's now empty because no one has filled in your form yet. But let me just share this thing we just created in our group so people can just try it right away. Okay, here's the link. Just a second. I'm gonna post in the chat.
Okay, awesome. So this link right here that we have pinned up is going to be a demo. The second part of the demo, basically, we're going to get that personalized message that Wayne has set up here.
Right.
This is so exciting.
Yeah, please feel free to try it. I will stay on this page a little bit just to show you a bit more what happens after your campaign set up and people start signing into your form. So to answer the previous question, yes, currently we only have integrated with Typeform. But if there's other kind of online survey or system you use to collect your leads or your audience, feel free to let us know. We will continue to expand more and more integration, and also provide ways for you to maybe more programmatically hook up with whatever input data source you want to use. So this is the MVP of this module, and it's ready to use, but it's also very minimal. There's a lot we will be expanding to. So please share your feedback, and always give us like your comments and your input. Speaking of feedback, there's actually a feedback button here. Say if you say like I want to use this integration, or how do I? So you can share all of the feedback from here directly. I will be personally receiving those feedback and incorporate your input into our next versions. Okay, we have many people submitted already. So you'll see that once someone submitted your video, we will be receiving the notification and preparing the video, and it'll be automatic sending. And you'll have the ability to track whether your audience has opened your email and visited your landing page directly. You'll have like a stats of how your campaign's doing. You can always go back to further refine your email design or landing page design. You can also once some video is produced, you can also download the full CSV with the links to your videos, your landing page, for you to maybe further used in your own CRM or send it to, say, WhatsApp. You can always manually add someone here directly. For example, if you have a lead that's not coming from your typical Typeform, but say a friend just message you, I have this guy who are interested, you can manually type this in and add him into your audience list for the workflow directly. If you've got like another CSV of your audience, you can also just add them here right away. So it's very flexible. It's very easy to use. You can set up as many campaigns as you want. Maybe one campaign for different topics, right? Like the first one for cold outreach, the second one for, I don't know, re-engagement, and third one for special promotion. If anything you think is not good, you can also pause your stuff and resume it later. Let me show you another one that's been running. So I have this one that's running, and you can see that there have been many people who sign up this already, and we have like a pretty good email open and an email click rate. Yeah. So
That's awesome. Yeah.
some of you will be receiving my emails already. Feel free
Yes,
to.
someone just asked if we'll be seeing the video. It's sending them out, right?
Yeah. So once the video is produced, if you fill in the form, you'll receive the email. Yeah. So that's kind of a quick walkthrough of personalized video module as of today. Again, in the MVP form, whoever filled in the form, you will have access to the early access after the meeting, after webinar today. Hope you enjoy it. Please,
So
please
exciting.
go to Product Hunt to support us there, and also share your feedback directly.
Yeah, that's so exciting. I'm thinking about all the ways that we can use it. And the best part is that it's also built on HeyGen that has so many other features. So imagine being able to send this in mass emails, personalized videos, but also with voice translation, with your cloning, your voice cloning, lip syncing, all of that. You can send it out to so many different clients, potential clients, people out in different parts, your customers, your fan base. I'm a content creator, and I know I'm thinking now about how me as a creator can use this to reach out to a lot of different brands and just show, that I'm using the latest technology in AI. So it is,
Right.
yeah, very exciting. And we have updates pretty much almost every week. So it's been really exciting to see all of the progress that HeyGen and our team, the rest of our team, has done in just a few months, pretty much. But is there anything else that you want to add for the personalized video? I know a lot of people have been writing in different feedback and different comments and integrations. Everyone that fills out the Typeform is helping us by giving us feedback, by answering those questions. So definitely do it, and definitely go on Product Hunt and let us know your feedback and what you think. That all helps us keep building. Super exciting. But yeah, back to you. Anything else you want to add on this?
Yes. So Nikki mentioned a good point. Like we have now different modules, right? Video translate, instant avatar, personalized video, real time. So all of these are actually based on our core technology of AI avatar and the video generation. It's just as the more we learn about, say, each one of you, like your company, your industry, the more we understand what kind of specific use cases are there and how our technology can be built into a easier to use, more friendly product for your team or your company. So we're also very excited to see more and more use cases like this that's of real value and also of real demand that's coming up, and we are exactly in the best position to help. I think which echoes with our vision that business videos are very valuable, are very worth helping with by with AI. So going forward, those modules will be more integrated. They will be more relevant to each other. So Heijian is going to become like almost like all-in-one business video suite with AI that you can easily use it for more than one use cases. So not only to help you make one, say, make training videos, but also help to grow your lead and increase your conversion. Also help you to set up your live chatbot for your users. Many others, right? So as videos are getting more and more prevalent in the business world, we strongly believe that the value we are creating and we are going to learn to how to create is going to be more and more, especially comparing to how either traditionally something's just like way too costly, way too slow to do, or not even possible, like Translate, like thousands of personalized video produced, delivered, customized in one day, right? So yeah, we're very excited. Please feel free to try it, and keep sharing us your feedback, your expectation, your comments. That's how we were able to build such useful products very quick, very accurately, because we're baking our customers' voices into our roadmap, not like 6 month roadmap, but next week's roadmap. Maybe not roadmap, just like sprints, right?
Yeah. Wait, and we do have a lot of, I love that you touched a little bit on all the features, and we
Mm-hmm.
can start answering some questions soon. But we did have a lot of questions and comments in the chat about API access. Is
Mm-hmm.
this a feature that we should expect an API from, or can you talk a little bit more about the API for different features?
Yes. So API is going to be like a access under enterprise membership. Different modules will have their own API capabilities. Personalized video will provide API for you to just integrate into your own CRM or whatever other workflow you have. So we introduce minimal friction for you to change your workflow if you don't want to use the Heijian web app, right?
Yes, and thank you. Yeah, thank you for covering that. I know a lot of people, I just pinned one up. They've been asking about API access to translate feature. Everyone wants to keep building on top of HeyGen's tech, and it is coming very
Mhm.
soon. I
Yeah,
know there.
translate API translate. Sorry, API for video translate can also is also included in enterprise membership. Please, if you are really interested, please feel free to click the button to talk to us, and our team will learn about the use case and offer you like the proper kind of suite of Heijian, like according to your need, right?
Awesome. Yes. If you have any questions at all, if you're interested in all things API, definitely reach out to our enterprise team. Even if you want to know how you can use these features better for your business to grow, like we touched on throughout this webinar, it's HR, marketing, sales, all of this is going to be easier with all the different tools that we're coming out with. So I know a few people mentioned that they've already kind of set up a workflow like this, or they've tried to, and it's usually very complicated with many steps. So we're just here to try to make it as easy as possible. And we're very excited to be sharing all of these updates with you. So yes, if we have any other questions, feel free to write them out Someone is asking how we reach out to the enterprise team.
Okay, so there are various ways. The easiest way is like go to Heijin, click on the pricing, and you will see like a column for enterprise. And there's a button said contact us or talk to us. You can just click the button to get in touch. I see people also are curious about like the cost for personalized video, right? So I think I can share that it's different than the regular part of Heijin, which is usually or like one credit per minute of video creation. We understand that won't be really scalable. So how personalized video module consume your credits is by the number of variables you want in your video. Uh, is one each variable equals to zero point 0.1 credit. So if you have one credit only, when you sign up, you'll get some free credits. You can send out like 10 to test already with one variable. If your video contains two variables, it'll be costing like just zero point 0.2 credits per video, right? So essentially, it's like a lot cheaper than the others because like the way it's produced and also the angle that we want to make sure it is scalable for you guys. But again, feel free to share your feedback to give us like your comments, your suggestions. Also, to let us know how your audience react to the videos, the emails you send to them.
Awesome. Yes, thank you so much for covering that. I know a lot of people
Mhm.
do have questions, and we're trying our best to answer all of them. And we are reading all of the feedback, pinning it, starring it, noting it for later, so we can keep developing products that are helpful for everyone.
Mhm.
And maybe we should do a recap on a little difference of what the instant avatar is. Just a quick recap: instant avatar, real-time avatar, and now this.
Mhm. Yeah. So Instant Avatar is like a system we introduced in the past a few months where it's free for everyone to try. Like it's better than a photo avatar. So we have different kinds of avatars, right? Photo avatar is the one that you can just upload a photo and it can start talking for you. It's usually for creative and entertainment use case. It's not the best quality because it's only a photo. And instant avatar is where you can try to create a video-based avatar of yourself. So you have what it is like to create an avatar, also how it is like to use an avatar to make videos. It's also not of the highest quality because it's free. It's like automatic, but we hope for everyone to be able to get their avatar without really committing too much because we know this is a very new for everyone. Once you have your avatar, you'll discover what it can be used for, definitely. And after that, you can fine tune your instant avatar for a better quality of lip syncing and the video resolution. And there's studio avatar. Studio avatar is like the highest quality with studio level processing, usually good, very good for learning content or more formal business content. For example, you have a perfect background matching, so your avatar can sit onto whatever PowerPoint or company video background to talk about it. Real-time avatar is like an addition to the previous avatars. We can turn either of your avatars, usually fine-tune or state avatar, into a real-time avatar. So you'll have your real-time avatar set up, hosted somewhere with your own background, say like your company knowledge base, or the persona or the personality you decide for your avatar to be able to talk to whoever is trying to have a conversation with him or her in real time. Yeah. Feel free to try out the real time demo in Heijin Labs as well, and talk to us if you need it for your business.
Yeah, so thank you so much for the recap with that.
Mhm.
Instant avatar is one of my favorite features just because of how quickly I can clone myself. And then on those days that I'm feeling lazy to create content, I could just type
Mhm.
up something quickly and it'll be like I recorded a video. It's just really amazing to watch.
Mhm.
And now for today's webinar. We are wrapping it up. So
Mhm.
if you haven't received the video yet, you will soon.
Right.
But like we normally do for the end of the webinar, we love to give out 5 free credits to everyone that attended, just so you can go and test out all of the new features,
Mhm.
because we're always coming out with new features. So we're going to send the link in just a few seconds here. I believe it's
Also,
another.
by the way, there's actually a lot of submissions to the demo we tried. Some of you might be able to get your kind of emails a little bit later because like there's many video that's being processed in my account already. But thank you a lot for your passion, and hope you enjoy the result later.
Yeah. One last question, actually. Where are the emails being sent from?
It's currently sent from our server, but we will make it more customizable very soon. Right? That's a great question.
Yes, I remember a few
Yeah.
people had asked that. And, we're always trying to add more integrations. So if there's something that isn't available right now, just let us know. And we're going to be working as fast as we can to add it to all of the different calendar integrations, email integrations,
Mhm.
and whatever else that might be.
Right.
So,
And also, as we are about to close, we actually went a bit over this time because this is the last webinar of this year.
yes.
Next week will be like Christmas, New Year, holidays, right? So we really want to, spend some time. And I made a really quick kind of a summary of this year. Let me
Yes,
share
our
this.
year wrapped. So let's see it.
Let me find this thing. Just a second. Uh, Preview.
All good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see everything that
Right.
we've
So
accomplished.
I made a quick summary of our Heijian 2023 for everyone because we did have launched a lot of stuff. So this page is actually a summary of our progress. Like last year, 2022, we shipped this like beginning of this year. We were iterating almost every week with lots of features last year, and we have been building like the foundation of Heijian. And for this year, we are starting to seeing like definitely like very exponential growth. And I have marked out like all of those major, definitely not everything, but the major releases we have, especially towards like the end of this year, right? So we've been shipping a lot of stuff, and we hope most of them are useful. Some of them didn't quite work, but we really want to take the moment to thank everyone here and also everyone who's not here for continuing to try Heijin to share with us your feedback, your expectation, your suggestions, or just like even your complaints are very helpful for us. And that
Yeah. We love complaints.
that's the information we thrive on to keep understanding, keep um, looking at whether we are doing the right thing for the customers, for the community or not. And if you find most of the release helpful, it is because we have heard your voice, we have tried our best to remove what we think we know, but really to listen to what you need. And it's definitely been a very fruitful year. Um, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Just to quickly recap, just in case you can't see, it is a little bit of a small font, but just some major things. It's only been a few months where we've seen such an exponential growth with the users, the videos, and all the major releases. There has been everything from just HeyGen 3.0 all the way to the personalized video, but in between, we got to generative AI outfits, the Discord bot, ChatGPT plugin, Avatar 2.0, HeyGen 4.0, Video Translate, HeyGen Labs. That's where you can go in and see all of the different features. And then we have most recently Instant Avatar, Real-Time Avatar, and today's personalized video. So once again, we're going to drop the Product Hunt link because that is where you get the latest updates right when we drop these products. And it helps us so much to give it a thumbs up, upvote them, and just give us feedback like we've mentioned 1,000 times on this.
Mhm.
But comment. We love it. Seriously. And
Mhm.
if you haven't followed us on all socials, we are across all the socials. I personally run the TikTok. We're also on Instagram, YouTube. So definitely check us out. And Discord, we do a lot of contests there for creators just using the different features. So join our Discord if you haven't, and check us out on Product Hunt. We are so thankful that you all signed up and made it, and you'll be getting your video soon. Any final words, Wayne?
Yeah, so I just want to appreciate everyone's time and attention for this amazing year, and we wish everyone like a great holiday coming up. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We'll see you again in the first week in January.
In the new year. Happy holidays, everyone.
Great. I think that's it for today.
Yeah, that's it.
Uh-huh.
Let's wrap it. That's it for the year.
Yeah, that's it for the year.
Happy holidays,
Much
everyone.
better year with you guys all together. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.